SOCs and many different vintage aircraft will participate in the legacy flights all over the country. And today is a wrap-up of the Navy's Tailhook Legacy Flight Program for 2011 and will continue next year. The Curtiss Helldiver, the F4U Corsair, and the FA-18 Super Hornet. The aircraft from the legacy flight fly by. Look to the left once again. This is a piece of naval aviation history, ladies and gentlemen, because the aircraft that's coming by right now is the replica of the first aircraft that made a successful landing in 1911 on a modified carrier. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Curtiss Pusher, being flown today by Bob Frosty Coolbaugh. San Fran Racetrack near San Francisco. He headed out into the San Francisco Bay. He circled the USS Pennsylvania once and rolled into the groove and trapped aboard, becoming the first man in history to make an arrested shipboard landing. Coming overhead, let's watch our Tailhook Legacy because accelerating away, here comes the Rhino, the Corsair, and the Helldiver. Contractor or a do-it-yourselfer, from the smallest jobs to the biggest, Hertz Equipment Rental is the right place to visit in Pensacola for all your equipment rental needs.